Hey, what's up YouTube? Mike from Mass here, Mass Aquariums, and in today's weekend tank tip video, there's not going to be a tip. Well, unless I can think of one. I'm uploading this video to ask my subscribers / any fans out there if you guys would pay me. Now, I know that sounds weird, but with the whole YouTube membership thing, for getting exclusive content. I know a lot of channels have been doing that where you pay a monthly fee for members only content. I know there's, I haven't really researched too much into it, but I know there's like different tiers that there are, maybe like one's $1.99, one's $4.99 a month, one's $9.99 a month, I haven't got into it too much yet, but what I was thinking of doing, and so I need you to comment below to tell me if this is something you'd be interested in or you think other people would be interested in that watch my channel, is I'm not going to make anybody pay for aquarium content. I have tons of aquarium videos. I've had fish rooms with 20 aquariums. I've had one aquarium and a pond. So I'm going to continue to put out aquarium content to try to help people, try to help hobbyists, try to help beginners, share my experience, my ups and my downs, do the whole tank updates and what's going on with my corals, or when I set up a freshwater tank soon, what's going on with that tank, what direction am I going in, am I going species only tank, am I going South American, all that jazz. That will continue to be free. I will not charge anybody for my aquarium content. So, what I was thinking, since I do get lots of questions, if someone catches something in the background of my house or the yard or whatever, is would you pay for the other things I do in my life, my other hobbies? So for instance, if you're paying the membership or the subscription for members only content and I upload videos that have nothing to do with aquariums but have stuff to do with all the other stuff I do in my life, whether it's golfing or hiking or going on trips or fishing or doing certain yard work or tips that I've figured out, like life hack sort of things. I have uploaded life hack videos previously and they've gotten tons of views, to the point where I did create another channel called Mike from Mass. I haven't looked at that channel in forever. I don't even know if I've uploaded many videos on that channel, but I sort of just forgot about it because a lot of people were, we don't want to see that bullshit, we just want to see your aquariums, that's why we're subscribed to you. So, long story long, I was thinking about doing something where you're going to pay your monthly membership fee to see other parts of my life and what's going on with other things that I do. And the aquarium content will always be free. Nobody wants to pay $4 a month to see an update on my aquarium that nobody else can see when I'm just going to upload an update on my aquarium anyway. There's no need to pay for that. So that was my idea. So I need you guys to comment below if that's something you would be willing to participate in, if you have any ideas that would make it better or more worthwhile, etc., etc. So let me know about that. Enjoy your Memorial Day long weekend. Thank you for the service members who sacrificed their lives to give us the freedom to upload YouTube videos amongst all the other things that we can do in this great country we live in today. So God bless the troops. God bless America. Have a great weekend. I'm out.